ogbono. So I want to make ogbono soup. This is the stock. It's already boiling. This is the goat meat I'm going to use to make the soup. Look at it, goat meat. This is the smoked fish I'm going to use to make this ogbono soup. This is crayfish. Look at it, very nice, looking really good. Then this is ogbono, which I'm going to dissolve in palm oil. I have sea salt here. I have nut cubes. I have iru, local seasoning. Then this is dried pepper. And this is palm oil. So come with me. Let's make this ogbono soup together. So this is the ogbono. I'm going to have to add some palm oil to this ogbono. So there are two ways I make it, but this is the style I want to use today. At times I dissolve the ogbono inside palm oil like I'm doing now. At times I might not dissolve it. I might just put the oil directly into the sauce and put the ogbono directly. That's another style. Why I leave the ogbono to dissolve, I'm going to clean up the veggies. That's the vegetable that I'm going to use. So I'll wash it and cut it up.
1, 2, 3, and
goat meat, smoked fish, so we just allow it to boil. Guys, this is it, goat meat and smoked fish. So I'll add the seasoning. I'll add there's the dried pepper, like 2 spoons. Then the crayfish. I'll put 2 spoons full of crayfish. Then I'll add the locust bean. This one I'm going to put like 4 spoons. I like the taste in it. This is the dry one. Locust bean. Then I'll stir. And allow to boil. Guys, if you see the aroma from this thing, delicious. So I like to boil. So this is the ogbono that I've dissolved. So I'm adding the ogbono now, scooping it. Then I'll stir. I will allow to cook. When you are cooking ogbono, right, you don't cover it. See our ogbono soup, our goat meat ogbono soup with smoked fish. So I'm going to add the vegetable now. Guys, this ogbono is especially from Edo State, Nigeria. The ogbono is something else. So I'm just going to turn it now and leave it for a minute or 2, and I'll turn off the gas because I don't want the vegetable to be overcooked and all the nutrients will be gone. Look at our ogbono, very thick. This is how I like my soup, believe me. So I'll just leave it for like 2 minutes and I'll turn off the gas. Finally, our ogbono soup is ready. Let me off the gas. Guys, look at our ogbono soup. Wow, see our ogbono soup. What do you think I'll be serving this with? Look at our ogbono soup. Look at our ogbono soup. What do you think I'll be serving this with? Well, if it's you, what are you going to eat it with? Please leave it in the comment section. But for me, I'm going to be serving this with coconut swallow. This is our ogbono. Thank you for watching.